Welcome, welcome. Coming up next, we have Virgil's Battle Theme. This is a song called Bury the Light from Devil May Cry 5. Here we go. Ooh. Big bass sound. Love it. Cool violins coming in. Nice. Nice percussion. Yeah. I did not expect this to go in this direction. I did not expect this to go in this direction, and I don't know why. That is heavy. That was impressively heavy. I'm going to turn it down so hopefully it doesn't skip again. But that is heavy. I love the layering that it has going on, the violins that came in. And I guess I just expected it to go into a more drum and bass or EDM sort of thing. But this, like a hardcore, metalcore sort of push, really nice. I'm enjoying it with the synthesizers, those tunes. That's a cool sound. That's a really cool sound. Ooh, very Linkin Park. You know, very Chestery, doesn't it? You can hear it's very forward. Nicely placed. No, I can't stop that skipping. I think it's just the streamings. Ooh, I like that. The synth coming in. That's a cool sound. So many different levels just coming in on top of each other. Really, really cool. Ooh, big crescendo. Nice. Yes, big vocals. Ooh, nice change. Yes. Woo! Great drums. Listen to those drums, the double bass that he's using. The timing of it. So good. It's right on point. Great fill. Yes. And it goes into this, then it turns into whatever that is. Not EDM. What is that called? Dubstep. It goes into that dubstep push. I don't care what people say. I think people poo-poo on dubstep far too much. It is fun to listen to when you're working out or when you're angry, or sometimes it gets under your skin and it's just a cool sound. I don't know. I don't know why people shit on dubstep sometimes. I mean, they did in the movie Deadpool 3. What's his Cable turns around and he says, dubstep's for pussies. And I'm like, oh, that's not true. I'm not a see? That's not fair. It's cool sounding, isn't it? I love the effect that they have to make his voice quite ethereal, and he's making it a bit breathy, which is difficult overall, and you got to practice that, because what happens is that you're pushing more air through the vocal folds than it really needs, and that can cause them to dry out quicker, which means you're singing on drier chords, and that can cause injury, hemorrhaging, all that good sort of stuff, which you don't want. It could also tire you out a lot quicker. But if you practice it, you get something like this, and it sounds quite nice. Now, there's a lot of effect on him. It's quite saturated, but this, you get the point. Their use of dynamics is great. Notice they're kind of pushed back. Wow. And it comes right in big. This isn't even full. Yeah, lots of effect on that voice. Lots of autocorrect. That is a saturated tune. But that's okay. Like, that's okay. I'm not criticizing that in a bad way. I don't think it's a bad thing that they have them saturated in effect. I mean, I think it's meant for the tune. It's the style of the music. It's the effect that they're going for. And it works. I like it. Love it. Great use of the orchestra. I just guessed. I didn't know. Yeah, you are. See, again, their use of dynamics. Come back in. Nice change. Listen to that drums, man. He's killing it. Yes. Nice. I like the lyrics too. It's cool. They're epic, you know? Gets the point across. Woo! Big voice. Yes. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if that's guitar or if that's a synthesizer, but that's a cool sound, isn't it? Yeah, that's neat. Nice. Nice bridge. Oh. Yes. Nice. All right. Those are some powerful lyrics, dude. I love it. Again, really nice use of the dynamics before it gets right in your face and quite staccato. Very legato still. Yes, but those levels. Build. I love when music makes me do that. Whoa, guitar. I think that is a guitar. Oh, think we got some harmonies going on too? That sounds great. Yeah, great harmonies. Guitar, nice. Now, I've never played this game, so I have no idea where we are in the game at all. I don't know if this is. I believe this is a crossover anime and game. But check it out. I have a Patreon page that is filled with anime. Oh my god, filled with anime episodes, filled with full episode reactions, full series, full seasons. We've got great titles like Attack on Titan, Jujutsu Kaisen, Solo Leveling. Just gonna start in a couple of days. Tokyo Ghoul, Apothecary Diaries, Frieren. Oh, just really great titles and really cool people hanging out and watching. It's like watching anime with your friends. What's really neat is that there's no commitment up front. All you got to do is sign up and it is completely free. It's also free to watch all of the first episodes of my anime. So if you're interested in any one of my titles that I just said, you could go on, sign up for free and watch the first episode, see if you like it, and then decide to join us then. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, we all have our own Discord. We have our own chat section, which is a lot of fun to chat in. And it's, as of right now, it's still a small but mighty group. So get in there while it's still low level. We're moving on up. We're moving on up quickly too. It's nice. Man, I really like this tune. It's like a harder, it's like if Pink Floyd was on steroids instead of mescaline. Yes, what a change into that dubstep. Nice. I knew there'd be some sort of slash ending. Fade out. Nicely done. Nicely done indeed. That was a cool song. That was long. It was a cool song. It went on for a while. I don't know if that within the context of the game, if that sits and that fits and that's like the length of an entire level or an entire battle. But it's a long tune. I mean, they could have an abridged version if they wanted to, and probably would have gotten the same point across. But I liked it. I liked the layers. I liked the dubstep. I liked the additions. I like the melody line. I like the delivery. I like the phrasing. I like the singer. He sounded great. I love the little bits of harmonies that were in there. I really enjoyed the patches that they used over his voice. The drummer was killing it. If you listen again, go back and check out some of the drum fills, like really, really tasty drum fills. Guys, I had a blast with that tune. I hope you did too. Until next time, later, Gators. Bye.